Hello again. Let me start by apologising. I haven't published a video for a while. This is a really busy time of year for me, business-wise. I've done my first terrace of the year. I'm sure it won't be the last. Laying floors, laminate floors, all kinds of stuff. So please forgive me, this is not going to be a highly polished video. I've also been doing some tractor work and have really enjoyed saving the nests of the ground nesting lapwings that we have here. But I have got some stuff done, so I'm going to detail it here. It's just going to be put on here and not a lot of editing. So just to keep you up to speed with what's been going on when I've been able to get something done. So when I was working with the back brakes, trying to unseize them, trying to adjust the adjusters off, I found it really difficult to remember which side you had to adjust upwards and which side you had to adjust downwards. So I think I've solved that problem. So working on the shower space now and placing the floor drain, I really wanted to know where the floor supports were. So I decided just to pull the floor up and expose them, and at the same time replace the polystyrene insulation with polyurethane insulation. It's 4 centimeters of insulation down here on the floor. The polyurethane is not quite double the insulation value, but almost. And I decided there wasn't enough support underneath this, so added a little bit more. At the same time, I found a weak spot and got that fixed. So I'm at £3,500 now, but costs are going to start jumping way higher because there's a few things I'm going to have to get pretty soon to be able to continue the water system, the electric system. If I'm going to get the engine started, I want to invest in a couple of really good quality batteries. Just to let you know, if you would like to help, then be very much appreciated. I have got an account now with Buy Me a Coffee, and the link is in the description. Okay, shaky video alert, but this is where that floor drain comes out on the outside underneath. It's above the wheel, and the wastewater tank for the shower is going to be positioned behind the wheel. On the other side of the van, I was wondering what I was going to put on the wall above these cupboards that I built, and a visit to the scrap metal skip, I found a big widescreen TV, broken screen, thrown away, and you're not actually meant to put electrical appliances in the metal skip, so I didn't feel too bad about pulling it out of there. I remembered that I had seen some videos some time ago saying that you could salvage some of the parts of a widescreen TV, a flat screen TV, and make a light panel. And so I got those parts out and have now ordered the LED strips that I need to make it work. If it does work, then I think it could be quite a nice addition in here, but we will see. I'm just trying it in place now with just the perspex part to see how it fits. We are having some beautiful days here. All that bright green new foliage that you can see there has all come in the last week, and in another week it's going to be unrecognisable. But that's you now pretty much up to date, so I will get back to work and I'll see you on the next one.